We're in the bowling alley tonight, and this is bowling, all right, but bowling like you've never seen before. So don't go away. We're going to come back and find out a little more about this unique bowling experience in a few minutes. Well, here we are, and as I said, this is a unique bowling experience. We're at the Frederick Lanes in Kitchener, and this is called Cosmic Bowling because of all the black lights and the way the lanes glow in the dark. This is really unique. It's about the only place in the Kitchener-Waterloo area and one of the few places in Canada that you can have this style of bowling. And, you know, it's sweeping the U.S. like a storm. Let's go over here and talk to a bowler. And joining us here is Wayne Robert. Hi, Wayne. How are you?
Good, thanks.
So what do you find appealing about this style of bowling, Wayne?
It's different, and it's a place where you can just get down and relax with your friends.
All this rock and roll music is relaxing?
Oh, for me it is.
Oh, that's great. I kind of like it too. Listen, let's give us a demonstration of how this is done, Wayne.
I'll do my best.
Okay. Here goes Wayne. Oh, man, that was so close, Wayne. That's a great job. That's a great job, though. You almost had a strike there. This looks like a lot of fun, something a fella could really get into.
It is. It's a lot of fun.
Well, that's great. Thanks very much, Wayne.
Thank you.
And, you know, now I think I'm going to have to take off my glasses, my glow-in-the-dark glasses, and my funny hat, and go over here and check on the weather. Okay. So if you think this would be your style of bowling, and who wouldn't, eh? Just call those friendly folks at the Frederick Lanes here in Kitchener and get the hours that this is operating. And, you know, come on down and have a great time. Now it's time for sports, and Randy Steinman's going to be here shortly with all of that.
The Coyotes are road runners as they resume their series